you interested in learning how to copy your Instagram URL and share it with your friends? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to copy your Instagram URL. First, open Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger icon on the top right. Then tap on Account Center. Go to Profile. Tap on Instagram. Tap on Username. And copy your username. Now open up a browser. Type in instagram.com/ and the username that you just copied. Then it will open up your profile. Now copy the given URL. Now this is your Instagram URL. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.